team. Okay. Dito sa part na ito, medyo nakikita ko, very focused sila dito eh. Okay? Dito, puro magbe-best friend yata dito eh. Labakan dito lang, tahimik dito eh. Sabi siguro, ayun. Alright, now, Matthew. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump out. Jump left. Jump in. Jump out. Jump out. Most improved player. Okay, one more view. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Oh, wait lang. Oh, mami na si ma'am. Sabi na. Oh, wala nang salita. Happy lang si ma'am. Thank you ma'am for being honest. Okay, ready ulit. One more view. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Jump left. Jump out. All the time, the world. Yung parehas na kulay, make sure na hindi kayo magkatabi ha. Kaya alternate natin pag may magkaparehas na kayong katabi. Okay na? Okay na. Huwag mo masyado seryoso, baka mamaya tutulog ka na sa loob. Nagja-jump out pa tayo ha. Okay, ready na. On my cue. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump out. Jump left. Jump in. Jump in. Huwag mag-balance ka na, baka mamaya. Hindi, okay na. Okay. Okay, one more round. Ready on my cue? Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. Jump right. Jump right. Jump in. Jump in. Jump right. Jump right. Imam, panalo sa sigaw eh. Okay, kapit ko. Yung mga natira, kapit ko. Nice kill. Okay. Makinig po, teams. Makinig. Yung mga naut na, urong lang po tayo ng konti. Okay? Okay, yung 6 to 1 na tayo. Magbibigay na ako ng 3 rounds para malaman natin kung sino pinakamakatibay na jump in, jump out player. Okay, ready na tayo? Ready na ba tayo? Ay, hindi pa rin eh. Ready na ba? Oh, sige, siya lang daw. Ready na daw sila. Ayan na lang sila. Okay, ready? On my cue. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. Jump right. Jump right. Jump in. Jump in. Jump right. Jump right. Hindi na mali. Bakit? Ganun kadaling kausap si ma'am. Tinanong mo siya, sinong mali? Okay namin na kagad. Okay. Last two round. Makinig maigi. Focus again. On my cue. Jump in. Jump out. Jump. Wala nang sasalita. Ako na lang. Pagod na ako ha. Pwede ba? Oh, sige, mamayunasan ko na ng voice pag yun salita ha. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. Jump right. Opposite jump out. Opposite jump out. Ayan ang sinasabi ko. Okay. O ma'am, naniniwala na kayo na hindi lang focus. O, tsaka ano? Tsaka honesty, may swimming din. May diving din, okay? Last round. On my cue. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Opposite jump left. Opposite jump right. Hawak kamay. Yung mga natira, hawak kamay. Hawak muna. Okay, listen guys. Okay. Nakikita nyo sa likod, nagbibilangan kayo. So, mid-green, pumila kay Miss Vanessa. Mid-green. Mid-green, pila na po kayo doon. O, tapos white, kay Miss Nicole. Light blue, doon, kay ma'am. Ano pa? Meron violet, kay Sir Lars. Red, kay Elmer. O, violet, dito. O, dito yung violet.
Ganda ng
Violet, ano ba kaya? Black pink pala. Black pink. Okay, black pink. Okay, countdown.
Isa, red, isa lang.
May isa na doon. O sige, sa pinakamababang natirang member, mag-match up kayo dito for the last. Okay. For the fifth place. Okay, dito kayong dalawa. Kasi kayo yung pinakamababang number na team. So maglalaban kayo para sa isa. Para makuha niyo yung fifth place. Ganito huwag kayong mag-aaway Itong papagawa kong game na to is medyo iba-iba yung buhok mo ma'am. Okay, dito ka ma'am. Lapit kayo dito, lapit kayo. O, bati lang kayo, talikod kayo sa isa-isa. Sa queue ko kayo mag-execute Okay, ang laro natin is bato-bato pig. Takot si ma'am, binahin po yung buhok Okay. On my cue bato-bato pig. Okay. Fourth place. Fifth is blue, light blue, and fourth is red team. Okay, sixth si blue and fifth si red team. Okay? Next matchup for third and fourth. Dalawa. Ayun, white. Come over. Representative na lang.
Pinakamatanda na.
Good po. On my cue. Bato, pick! Wait. Huli ka sa likod.
Tanda na kasi. Medyo matagal na yung response.
Okay lang, sir.
Lagot ka sa akin.
Okay, ready? On my cue. Bato, pick! Okay, winner, sir. Third.
Oh, third.
Third and fourth ang white.
Sir, interview lang.
Third naman ang violet team. So, next matchup.
Third game.
Kayo ma'am, ano pa masasabi niyo?
Wala sinabi yung mga bata, boy.
Okay, ready? Big green versus black pink. On my cue. Bato, pick! Yan mo gusto action With style. Okay, ready? Bato, pick!
Mahilig sa bat pa.
Bato, pick!
Oh, ay!